how to save or unsave manual executions in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can decide or toggle to save or unsave your manual executions in your workflow. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch our n8n workflow, as you can see right here. Here I have a very basic workflow, and now I will show you how we can trigger this particular setting. So for that, click onto these three dots present at the top right corner of the screen and then choose settings. Now within the settings, you will see this option that says save manual executions. If it is set do not save, then no manual executions will be saved. But if you choose the save option, then all of the manual executions will be saved in the overview history or the executions tab right here. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do share and like our channel as well. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.